The Zurich Street Parade, one of the largest and most renowned electronic music festivals, attracts hundreds of thousands of attendees from around the world. After the festivities, many visitors often explore nearby popular destinations, leveraging Zurich's central location and excellent transport connections. Here are some of the most popular destinations. 1. Lucerne. Luzerne. Distance from Zurich, approximately 52 kilometers, 32 miles. Highlights. Lucerne is famous for its preserved medieval architecture, the stunning Lake Lucerne, and the iconic Kapellbrücke, Chapel Bridge. Visitors can enjoy the picturesque old town, take a boat trip on the lake, or visit the Swiss Transport Museum. 2. Interlaken. Distance from Zurich, approximately 118 kilometers, 73 miles. Highlights. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a gateway to the Jungfrau region and offers various outdoor activities like paragliding, hiking, and skiing. The nearby Harderkolm viewpoint provides spectacular views of the Swiss Alps. 3. Zermatt, distance from Zurich, approximately 215 kilometers, 134 miles. Highlights. Zermatt is renowned for the Matterhorn, one of the most iconic mountains in the world. This car-free village offers excellent skiing, mountaineering, and hiking opportunities. The Gornergrat Railway provides stunning panoramic views. 4. Basel, distance from Zurich, approximately 87 kilometers, 54 miles. Highlights. Basel is known for its vibrant cultural scene with numerous museums and art galleries. The Rhine River adds to the city's charm, and the old town features beautiful medieval buildings. Basel is also famous for its annual Art Basel Fair. 5. Geneva, distance from Zurich, approximately 279 kilometers and 73 miles. Highlights. Situated by Lake Geneva, the city is known for its Red Cross headquarters and numerous international organizations, including the United Nations. Visitors can explore the Jet d'Eau, the Old Town, and numerous museums. 6. Grindelwald, distance from Zurich, approximately 136 kilometers, 85 miles. Highlights. This picturesque village in the Bernese Oberland is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, offering stunning views of the Eiger and numerous hiking and skiing opportunities. The Jungfraujoch, the highest railway station in Europe, is a major attraction nearby. 7. Bern, distance from Zurich, approximately 121 kilometers, 75 miles. Highlights. The capital city of Switzerland, Bern, boasts a well-preserved medieval old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Highlights include the Zetglog Clock Tower, the Federal Palace, and the Bear Park. 8. St. Moritz, distance from Zurich, approximately 202 kilometers, 126 miles. Highlights. A luxury alpine resort town, St. Moritz is famous for its winter sports, high-end shopping, and beautiful mountain scenery. It's also known for hosting the Winter Olympics twice. These destinations offer a mix of cultural, scenic, and recreational activities, making them ideal for visitors looking to extend their experience beyond the vibrant atmosphere of the Zurich Street Parade.